5 minutes before I gotta go back to work. I'm gonna go do what the fuck I want to do. Fuck that shit. Do what you love, people.
Well, looks like I gotta go back to work.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Go down below, do your thing, comment, like,
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yes, yes.
Please whatever.
And ba-ding, hit that bell. Stay tuned, that's all I gotta say. Yeah,
Yep.
It's gonna be dope.
Thanks, guys.
Peace.
Shit, boy.
Stay tuned. Next weekend should be a pretty darn good one. I think you guys will like it. And yeah, that's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
Till
Thanks.
next time.
Thanks for watching.
Oh yeah, fist bump.
I was like, I knew we were forgetting.